Well, there it is. That's the church in the foreground there. This might not be the best angle. I think I'm going to switch you to the other side. I was going to let you watch while I dial it in a little bit. I set all the variable resistors around a midpoint before I installed it on the fascia of the layout. I think I'm going to move you to the other side so that you will get a little bit better view maybe. Let's try it. Be right back. One thing I added was lighting down in the open area for receiving vehicles. I'm gonna trim that one down a little bit. Now I've got a light on my forehead here, a miner's lamp. Hope it doesn't bother you. That's so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, that's the wrong way. You know, while I'm at this, I think I'm going to map it, and I'm going to build myself a chart and map it so I know which goes to which. I would have numbered the wires, except that I thought of it too late. I already had all the wires coming out the bottom of the building. I would have had to trace them, which would have been impossible because they're all orange and black wires, and there's a bunch of them in there. It's a rat's nest, honestly. Bird's nest. How about giving me a thumbs up if you like the video? And if you're not subscribed, and I know most of you are not subscribed to my channel, how about subscribing? Thank you. I'm going to go get some paper and make a chart, and I'll be back. Well, I've got it. I have two charts. One for the left side and one for the right. Knowing which one goes to which save a lot of time if I feel like I need to dial in the exact amount of light I want coming out of one or another of the windows. Now I kind of like the balance. It's about the same amount of illumination on both sides. A couple windows on the right are a little brighter. A number of windows on the right are not quite as bright. And the left, it's a little more balanced. But the two sides kind of balance one another off. And the randomness of the windows, I find pleasing. You can only see it when it's dark, but well, it looks cool when it's dark. Well, I can go ahead and put the lid on now and finish it up, get the aircraft warning lights on it, and be done with it.